Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video I have given question 3 power x plus 3 power x equals to 19. Wow, let's provide a solution. And here very quickly I have given a question 3 power x plus 3 power x equals to 90. Then we shall start by factorizing the 3 power x because they are common. Then 1 plus 1 equals to 90. Then 3 power x times 2 will be 90. Then here at this stage we shall divide 2, and 3 power x will be 45. Right? At this stage we can say 3 power x is equal to 9 times 5. Then 3 power x will be 3 squared times 5. At this stage it is nice time to apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of 3 power x will be logarithm of 3 squared times 5. Right here. Then what are you going to do? Shall say x logarithm of 3 will be logarithm of 3 squared, then plus logarithm of 5. Then here, what we have, we shall divide logarithm of 3, divide logarithm of 3, divide logarithm of 3. Of course, we shall get x, which is equal to 2 logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 3. Then x will be 2 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 3 as the final answer. Then here we have to check if our answer is correct. Because I've given 3 power x plus 3 power x equals to 90. Now here we shall say 3 power, this is 2 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 3 plus 3 power 2 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 3 equals to 90. Then here we have 3 squared times this one, 3 power logarithm of 5 to the base 3 plus 3 squared times 3 power logarithm of 5 to the base 3 equals to 90. Then here this is 9, this and this will be cancelled to get times 5 plus 9, this and this to get 5 times 5 equals to 90. Then we have 45 plus 45 equals to 90, and then 45 plus 45, this is equal to 90, which is equal to 90. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, to mean that this value of x is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.